The 3 words I would use to describe my learning experience with Avado is supportive, structured, rewarding. Me personally, I'm much more confident in my knowledge and my skills and my behaviours. I feel like I'm really able to act like a true L&D professional and consultant within my field, and that can only benefit me personally in my career, but also the team around me, which also benefits the wider business. My current job is that I actually manage and lead apprenticeships for RSA, and I've worked in a variety of sectors managing apprenticeships. So when the opportunity came around for me to actually apply for my own apprenticeship, I really wanted to be able to walk the walk and practice what I preach, and I've seen how powerful apprenticeships can be for people, so I really wanted to relish the opportunity and do one myself. The majority of our people in the business that are on an apprenticeship have been in our business a while. They may have just fallen into industry and not been able to have that opportunity to get professional qualifications. We are now reaping the benefits of our people going on apprenticeships. They're getting upskilled, gaining that professional qualifications, which is boosting their confidence, but it's also helping them to serve our customers better. The changes I've seen in my role so far aren't necessarily things to do with my day-to-day role, but they're more around how I carry out my day-to-day role. So growing in confidence, growing in knowledge, growing in skills. Avado has been a real supportive provider to me. The Avado learning platform is really slick, it's really intuitive, it's really nice to use as a platform. Because I commute, sometimes that can be quite a long journey and painful journey, so it's really great to be able to open the platform, do some reading if I need to, go and do some research, and then within 20 minutes I'm at my destination, and I've also learned as well.